Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakti and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified every time I make a video. So guys, it is the first day of the summer vlogs. It is July 2. Summer officially began yesterday, so I'm quite excited. It is like after 9 thereabouts. I'm in a Mushland get up and I'm loving that, even though today is Saturday, but you know. So yes, it's Saturday, July 2, and we're gonna have a lot to do today. So even though it's summer, we gotta start the summer cleaning. We gotta get some things done because vacation is coming up and we need to get some things in order before vacation can reach. So today we're gonna get some things done. We have an event that's actually supposed to start at 10. Your girl's gonna be in and out and probably absent for a part of it, but it will, because I have to get these things done. So on the list for today, I need to wash. So on the list for today, we have washing. I need to wash. I have a pile of clothes over there. See, you have to wash. So that's on the agenda, first thing. I also need to change my sheets because it's long overdue. I'm wondering if I should change it now, but then again, I might not have any time afterwards to change it. So if I can wash these sheets today, then that would be great, so I could change it. I also need to wash all my shoes and clean all my shoes and all of that, because I'm gonna need them for the vacation. All the Crocs, I might not use all of them, but you know I'm gonna need them, so they're in need for washing and cleaning. So I'm gonna wash and clean those. Then I have my room and my bathroom that I need to clean, deep clean, and prepare, like do summer, get it all summerified. So that's the summer makeover. And then I don't know if that's gonna be on for today because that's gonna be an old vlog on its own, so I don't know if that's gonna happen today. I also have a we have an event over the church, which is a Domino Tournament, and I want to go and all of that. So it starts at 10. I don't know if I can reach at 10, probably about 12 thereabouts. I'll go over there, so give me at least 2 hours to finish doing some work. And then what else do I have to do? Just start overall cleaning the house. So it needs to be clean for the summer and all of that. Some organizing needs to be done in the kitchen mostly and in the middle room. So those two are the ones that I'm really, the kitchen, the middle room, and my room. We need to work on that. But at least the kitchen and the middle room is like a group effort, but my room is like me, so it's quite a lot, but we will get through it. So anyways, yes guys, thanks so much for clicking on this video, and if you have gotten this far in the video, go ahead, like the video, comment something down below guys. As I said in my last video, when you guys comment and like, that pushes my video out, so I would really appreciate it if you guys will give this video a big like and comment. You know, everybody's like and comment, that is gonna make my video go far. So yes, anyways, without further ado guys, let's just get into the rest of this vlog. You know, yeah, I'm gonna change my clothes. I might not bother make up my bed. I was gonna do that, but then I think about it and I said, if I'm gonna wash the sheets, I might not need to make it. So I'm gonna just leave it on the bed for now. Just gonna put it one side, and then I'm gonna change my clothes, go have breakfast, and then start the work then. So yeah. All right guys, so the shoes, I finished washing the Crocs. This is not mine, that's my Crocs don't look so cute anymore. Yeah, this is my black Crocs. Wash them, I'll clean everything. Well, these actually already dried. This is why I love Crocs and these kind of slippers, because I just wash it and it dry, just wash it and it dry. Yeah, so I love that. So yes, I'm gonna wash now. Hey. So I'm gonna wash, and then none of my sneakers don't really need to wash. So yes, I was saying none of my sneakers really need to wash. I was looking if the white or the yellow one needed to be washed, but it don't need to be washed, so I can leave that. I'm gonna clean and wash my school shoes and put them up for September. Yeah. And then I'm gonna actually wash first before I clean the shoes. Yeah.
Who teach her that
Who wants what you want? What you want? What you begging? I don't know you. Somebody come get this child because I don't know her. I don't know her at all. Hi guys, so it is now 12:40 thereabouts. I know I said I was going to go down there at 12 o'clock, but even now I don't finish wash. We still have 2 sets here, so about 3 sets left in the washroom to wash, so it's taking a while, but we have paused. I tried to fix up my little self from it look like say yeah, somebody picked me. I'm not homeless. Yeah. We're going to go down and grab some stuff. My sister want to buy soup. I want to buy like a piece of chicken or something. Don't know yet, but yes. So that's what we're gonna do now. We just grab on one little t-shirt that I had on earlier this week, along with a pants I already had on this week as well. So hopefully we don't look too homeless anymore. Yeah. So yes guys, things haven't been too bad. The shoes dry, so I took them up into the mama bed. Yeah. All right guys, we're leaving out. My mother carries soup. No, I'm not a soup person, but we need something hot. So stay now. We need something hot since my chest has been killing me. So my mother just give me a soup, so I drink it. And Shanique, we're just walking down. Let's see what I want. I go buy chicken and see what I want. See me? All right guys, so I got sorrel. This thing is in in remembrance of one of our late members, Brother Nando, and his wife is selling those sorrels, and guys, it tastes good. So from India I'm a drunk, oh well. Drunk penis. Hey, if I wrote them a business, anyways, I'm gonna get chicken, so I'm gonna eat and then probably go back to wash. She never tell me so she want chicken. Yeah, she never tell me so she want chicken. For the soup. Now she gets soup. Me go to for chicken. Oh my god, chicken. Nothing they would have do that. Alright, later guys. Sooner or later. See you later.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing.
So guys, I did quite a few, but I'm tired. I don't want to have the towels and the rag sleeves, so I'm gonna just leave that for tomorrow because I'm tired. Yeah. So this is the cedar fill. Finally got it. Alright, so it's a Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. I put on the screen the other one I had. I can't remember the name right now. But this one is a normal to dry to oily skin. Yes, normal to oily skin. So yes, I'm going to try this one. This is the... What ounce is this? I think this is 16 ounce. Yes, it's a 16 ounce. Alright. So this is what it looks like. It's quite a good size. I think I had the bigger one last time, and I'm like I got two in the pack, and it wasn't bad with the price, so I bought that one. So it's here, quite a few ones.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing.
This is it. So guys, I have fixed my Crocs. So I put some on this. I don't put a lot on it because I'm gonna have to change the shoes soon, so I might have to take them off. I put that on that one. I put a few on that. I put that thing there, the rest were on it, and then I put this on it. The other two were on it already. And then for this one, I put this and this on it. This was there already. And then this one I put the bear on it because the other two were there already. And then for the last one, I put everything else except for the ice cream on this one. And then this one I put this and this because the sweetie was on it already. So yeah, that's it for now. So I decided to add some more. So yeah.